fishing pole.
There it goes.
Try to get down on this hill. It might have went down here, might not have. Might be on the highway. It could be gone for all we know.
This is all.
We made it. We had to chop down a little tree branch thing. Now we're down here.
We don't even know if it's down here.
It went over towards this way, so it could be across the road. It could have landed on the road and got taken down the road. It went anywhere. It's over across the highway by that blue rig.
Can you zoom in?
Yeah, it's right there. Laying there. I was right. Found it.
With a big piece of string attached to it, bro.
It flew. Our house is over those woods over there. It flew over the highway and down here next to this rig. So basically, obviously, we didn't have any string for the kite, and we tried to use the fishing pole, but the line was too short the first time. It ended up snapping and going over the fence that's up there. And then the second time, it kept unwinding, and all the line slipped out, and it flew way over the highway. So we're trying to find heavier line now to see if we can put it on the fishing pole and keep the flight up in the air, keep the kite up in the air without it flying away. Got thicker test. Things up there, the wind's going pretty hard. Wow, you can hear it.
Wow. Wow.
Is it ripping again?
No.
Oh.
Oh, buddy. These are ripping. That thing can't get, dude.
Coming in.
For landing.
Well, that thing was up in the air. Should get on my bike and take that thing.
Still was the spot.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and kick that subscribe button right in the genitals. And if you do all that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.